Hi, I'm Beth and I'm back with a quick video today to show you what is inside of the Walmart beauty box for summer 2018. I've gone ahead now and pulled out all of the flyers to give you a hint at what we're going to be looking at. We've got the ad from Walmart directly that asks you to rate and review the items. We've got Pantene, Rembrandt, and Garnier. So let's take a look. The main thing I am super excited about now that I've gone through this box is the Rembrandt 3-Day Boost Kit. This is a whitening kit. It contains 6 whitening strips, 3 treatments each. So it's got one upper and one lower for each. I had actually been thinking about getting some of the Crest white strips, but now I've got this. So I'm going to try this out. I'm really excited about it. Also, in the ads, there is a coupon on the back of the Rembrandt ad that has a coupon. If I decide that I like it, I can get the 1-week kit for $2 off. So this will be nice. And then we've got a Kleenex wet wipe. That's a single wet wipe right there. We've got some Garnier Fructis. This is Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask. It's got papaya extract in it also. And that is a 0.4 ounce sample size. Then we have Garnier Skin Active. This is 0.169 fluid ounces. This is just under 1/4 of an ounce. And this is, it says it's a soothing, moisturizing day or night mask. So that'll be interesting, made with rose water. Also, I have another one of these donkey milk gel masks. Here's what I have to say. I'm going to end up passing this on to a friend because I tried the other one that I got in the other kit and it just was not for me. There was a very, very generous amount of product and I respect that and appreciate it. That was very nice. And the gel itself was very soothing to my skin. However, I just do not have the right face size or shape for the mask. I put it on very evenly, but I feel like my eyes are just set further, just enough set further apart that my eyelashes kept hitting the edges, the outer edges of the eye holes. It just was annoying. I was supposed to keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes and I couldn't make it the entire 15 to 20 minute time. Also, the mask itself felt relatively heavy on my face. I felt claustrophobic. I tried really hard to keep it on for 20 minutes so I could give you an honest review. And I'm giving you an honest review, though, without keeping it on for 20 minutes because it drove me crazy. So my reviews are honest, and it's not all sunshine and roses. And like I said, other people with perhaps a different size or shape of their face may enjoy it more than me, but I'm going to be passing that on to a friend. Then the last thing that's in here is Pantene foam. This is sheer volume foam. It looks like it's in an aerosol with an interesting little top where it will come out in a flat pattern. So it does say on here that this is for in the shower. So you're using it in the shower and it's a conditioner just in a different texture. It comes out in a foamy texture, I guess kind of like a mousse, but it's a conditioner. It's not a mousse. So that's what we got. We got 1 item, 2 items, 3 items right here, 4 items, 5 items, and 6 items, and then a coupon and some advertisements. Like I say, I always feel good about the Walmart Beauty Box because to me it is a good value. It is $5 with free shipping, and I always remind everyone that the free shipping is worth $5 in itself probably because, and I ought to know, I have sold enough things on eBay through the years. Shipping is not cheap. So, and I have to say, this right here, this Rembrandt 3-Day Whitening Kit, I would pay $5 for that alone. So I'm impressed. I'm looking forward to it. One of my friends is going to enjoy the gel mask. And, you know, and then there's all the other goodies and things. I will definitely be using the conditioner right there in the shower and these other items from Garnier. And who doesn't need an extra wet wipe from Kleenex? So I hope you enjoyed it. That is how I'm doing it. And as always, I'm interested to see if you get a beauty box. Do you get the Walmart beauty box? Did you try any of these items? What do you think of these products? Give me some feedback. I love to chat about those things. So thank you for watching. As always, that's how I'm doing it.